Hi, my name is Maya Fiedler, and I'll be talking about hydrophilic and hydrophobic molecules. Hydrophilic means to have a tendency to mix, dissolve in, or be wetted by water. It is a water-loving material. Hydrophobic means they repel water and do not mix with water. When they repel, it is what makes droplets form. They are water-fearing materials. Hydrophobic is non-soluble water, and hydrophilic is soluble water. Hydrophilic characteristics: polar in nature, form a hydrogen bond, thermodynamically favored. Glucose, salt, and ammonia are some examples of it. And hydrophobic characteristics are nonpolar, lack complete or partial charges, bonded with noncovalent bonds, share electrons evenly, carbon and hydrogen bonds. And some examples are waxes, cholesterol, and steroids, which of course cholesterol is important to us as humans. So we have a good chunk of a mix of these molecules that we use and are a part of our daily life. Interaction with water in a beaker. If you were to add a hydrophilic molecule in a beaker of water, all it would do is dissolve and mix well with the water. If you placed hydrophobic molecules in a beaker of water, it will try to fight it off and repel the water, creating water droplets in some cases, and try to separate like how oil does with water. So in the picture I put down below, it better shows what I'm explaining. With the hydrophilic, you can see the fluid ones are going in. It's because they're mixing well. They're not fighting it. They're all squeezing together to form different atoms and stuff because it's all soluble. And the hydrophobic ones, the water-fearing, you can see it's not as tight and it's more rounded out and expanded because they are trying to fight the water and they don't want to mix with it. And I use the example of when you put oil in water, it kind of migrates to the top. It doesn't want to mix, or like butter and milk, the butter tends to float to the top and doesn't want to mix in as well. And that's because they're non-soluble together and they don't mix as well as we want them to. And these are the sources I used. Thank you.